Hey guys, it's Carolyn McDonald. I am not even exaggerating when I say that I've recorded this at least 20 times. I keep having people come in and out, and I keep losing my train of thought. So first of all, I apologize for saying 1,000 times, but I cannot keep my train of thought together anymore. And two, I'm sorry if I pause randomly for a few minutes or seconds because I have somebody coming to visit. So I'm just going to move forward as if it's all good. So let's see. So today I decided to talk about SOPHE. SOPHE is the Society for Public Health Education. I really like SOPHE because it provides a lot of really great benefits for its members, such as social networking, or professional networking, really, and great things like that. But also, the thing that I love the most is that they recognize the need for change within communities and the collaboration between public health worker or public health educators and the community. And they talk about and really advocate for that change. They also teach public health educators better and more effective ways to advocate for that change, which I think is really valuable. So that's what really drew me to talking about SOPHE. So SOPHE is a nonprofit professional organization that represents a body of public health students and professionals from many different focus areas and backgrounds. SOPHE's mission is to create a healthy world through health education. SOPHE promotes healthy behaviors, communities, and environments. Some of the ways they accomplish this are by providing education regarding the connection between behavior sciences, health education, health promotion, and the environment in which community members reside. By building health educators' skills and knowledge in regards to effective responses to public health emergencies. By reducing health risks and disease in children by fostering collaboration between schools, families, communities, and healthcare. SOPHE chapters work within specific communities with the aim of reducing racial and ethnic health disparities. SOPHE affects change by training public health workers and educating policymakers about more effective ways of advocating for that change. Currently, SOPHE boasts nearly 4,000 members who contribute to a community of collaboration and unity, helping to address a needed change in communities. These 4,000 members consist of students and professionals of the public health field. SOPHE members' experiences and backgrounds are diverse, providing a network to draw ideas from. The sectors members work in are varied as well, consisting of schools, universities, voluntary organizations, healthcare settings, work sites, and in local, state, and federal government agencies. As you begin your adventure in public health education, having a network of support and connections to consult with on ideas will be highly beneficial to you and to your work. Joining the SOPHE Association. There are several different kinds of membership options. Some options to keep in mind in the near future are the student membership, which is $80. Anyone attending school who is at least 6 months away from graduating can join at this level. And the next level is transitional. The transitional membership is $130, and it's a good fit for anyone who will be graduating within 6 months or who has already graduated within the last 24 months. The practicing new memberships are $145, and they're great for people just beginning their career. Lastly, practicing 3-year memberships are $540. Excuse me. This is a great deal as it allows practicing public health educators to commit to a longer period of time with the association at a discounted price. SOPHE membership comes with some fantastic benefits. I will break down each benefit by category and give you an idea of the usefulness provided with membership. Under professional development, we find Career Connection. Career Connection grants SOPHE members access to see and apply for the latest career openings in the field. Next is the Center for Online Resources and Education. This tool is fantastic. It allows members the ability to earn their continuing education hours online according to their own schedules and interests. There are also 2 conferences that are highly beneficial. The first is the annual conference. At this conference, members enjoy reduced admission fees while attending. This conference brings health education students, professionals, academics, and others together to learn about new ideas and connect with one another. The second conference is called SOPHI's Annual Advocacy Summit, at which the attendees gather to promote positive, health-conscious changes to legislation in order to benefit the American people. Yet another benefit in this category is the opportunity for members to receive encouragement and recognition through awards, fellowships, and scholarships. Oftentimes, these perks come with financial support as well. The next category we will discuss is networking. SOPHI provides many networking opportunities. Joining a local SOPHI chapter will help you connect to professionals and students within the community in which you live. Connecting through communities of practice, interest, and expertise, being a SOPHI member allows you the opportunity to join with many communities and committees based on your interests. Taking action and joining with others in giving public health care a voice is rewarding and beneficial as well, and that's something that you'll really work on with SOPHI. Lastly, SOPHI provides online forums where you can discuss things and relate things with people within your professional and perspective realm of the public health education field. As an added benefit, SOPHI membership also includes 3 peer-reviewed journals. These publications can help professionals stay on top of the latest information and studies, thus helping them stay current in the field. These publications are Health Promotion and Practice, Health Education and Behavior, Pedagogy in Health and Promotion, the Scholarship of Teaching and Learning. In conclusion, SOPHI is a fantastic organization that provides many benefits to their members and recognizes the importance of public health education in our world today. They really advocate for, or really teach you how to advocate for change and instill that in their members. And becoming a member of this organization is both affordable and worthwhile. I would highly recommend joining.